Want to stay updated with the latest news, articles, and stories tailored to your interests? Flipboard is a powerful tool that curates content from across the web into a personalized magazine just for you. Let's dive into how you can use Flipboard to stay informed. Download the Flipboard app. Head to your App Store, iOS or Android, and search for Flipboard. Install the app and open it. Create an account. Sign up with your email, or connect using your Google or Facebook account. Set up your profile by choosing your interests like technology, travel, or cooking. Explore and follow topics. Use the search bar to find topics or publications you are interested in. Follow them to add related articles and stories to your feed. Personalize your magazine. As you read articles, you can flip them into your personal magazines. Create new magazines based on themes, such as tech news or healthy living. Daily updates. Open the app daily to see fresh content based on your interests. Customize your notifications to get updates on the topics you care most about. Engage and share. Like, comment, and share articles with your friends or across social media directly from the app. Engage with the community by following other users' magazines. Flipboard is your go-to app for a daily dose of tailored content, keeping you informed about the world. Start exploring today and never miss out on the topics that matter to you.